Hi, it's Native Robin again, and I got a quick meal suggestion for you for a cold winter day. Lee Drummond, the Pioneer Woman, has a recipe she calls the 7-can soup. I love it and make it all the time, especially in the winter, because it really will just warm you to the bone. So here's my version of the Pioneer Woman's 7-can soup. Check it out. Okay, so here's my 7 cans. Now, basically you're gonna have pinto beans, black beans, and kidney beans. Now, she doesn't drain them, just pour them in the thing. And you got some diced tomatoes, some corn, and some Rotel. Now, if you like it to be a little more hot or spicy, get the Rotel, the hot Rotel, because it will really add to it. I have a can of original because sometimes when my friends eat it, they say, wow, it's too hot, I can't handle it. Now, Hormel, she has a can of Hormel chili, but she has the meat, no beans, because she figures she's got enough beans going on. Well, I'm a vegetarian, so I ain't gonna eat no meat. So I get the vegetarian with beans version of Hormel chili, mainly because it's the only spice added to the thing. I'm gonna dump these 7 cans in my pot and show you how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to slave over a hot stove and show you how to make this up. Pour everything in, undrained. Come on. There you go. Black beans. Hormel. Oh yeah. Rotel. And kidney. So this is your basic batch. We're gonna heat it up. And there's one last ingredient that I'll let you in on just as we get done. So hang in there, we're coming down the home stretch. Okay, so as you can see, it's bubbling and it's up to temperature. So now the last ingredient is some kind of cheese. So the Pioneer lady, she gets Velveeta cheese, which would be great if you're just trying to clean out the pantry, but I had some of this shredded cheddar cheese that was in the fridge. I probably should get rid of it. I bought the big bag and I don't eat that much. So she's calling for like 8 ounces. And just go ahead and put it in there and melt it up and stir it in. Yeah. This will give it a more creaminess when you eat it. See how it's getting creamy and good? There you go. Now, as far as seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. So, I'll finish this up and we'll get a bowl of it. All ready to have my 7-bean soup. The last ingredient is some good saltine crackers. I don't like to have crackers with every kind of soup, but I do like it with this. Now just remember, you throw the 7 cans in, hit it with some cheese, a little salt and pepper, and you're done. It takes 10 to 15 minutes from start to finish. So, hope you like my soup idea, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel because there's always something going on at the farm. Till next time, this is Native Robin saying, happy trails.